This video is about VPS OPs. If the software uses Excel in your computer and which will be increased, then you can download is VPS OPs. If you comment in comment box that we want VPS OPs, how do install them, then I am about of even the make a video. VPS OPs open like this. Later take about Excel will right click and now and here take to the your store you as like Jansi Excel worksheet, Microsoft Excel worksheet micro has been taken by click on like the open the cell phase. Some kindly interface will be open front. This bin is tell you the same process is that original Excel sheet. Now you have zero here to enter in today offer. We will the discuss about of the home tabs. Then will be like will know about home here, which is Excel sheet VPS Excel in more advanced than original Microsoft Office is hell money advanced version. Advanced version problem in that reminders in the original Excel that is not given the install of this time. If you want to version of the this time, then is will not install, rather you can install inside of, so that the office I will more advanced than inside the home tab you will get was the here first of all point which you can also the article and underline. You will get optional of this the here and below uf of take border. You can this see this there is the font. You can as select of the different font. This Arial black, Arial black, and next this while typing and selection, and that is the border of bold. Bold, so you can see this, that is world is bold, and next is italic and underlines, and next is the border. What is something is a selection of the tables and your sheet, that is selection and click here, so your sheet is ready, and that is your sheet border, that is your new, and what is your this is your world background and your background colors, and that is the world colors, so that world is selection control a, and color is the click, so then your color is ready. And next world which you will get here, and above you and see plus icon, and the many menus icon will also you font after that in the next, and we something is a font you can keep your word and write the center, that is the your world right is center. So this is a world and optical selection here, and so your so the click this world is center. This is not selection control a, and this is your letter justified, then your equal and letter, and next yes, after this the next option come in which you click the distance between your lever ones, and next you will come margin and center your can margin the sheet create by also is a single page. That example is minimize this page, and click here selection and merge and center, so see this is a single page of your world. And next work text is a special text next which more people the ram you have right mobile number, and this is generals. So type your digit and click here, click the number. So that is number, and unclick, click here currency. So that 2 rupees. So that is selection is the currency. So this colon is type here the digit that is seen is currency, and about and abouts. So next is the date. So you type your word and untap your date is ready. And next dollar partition and 0.22, and this is the click here. So next all the folder. Seen there air cropping and your first and last other then more than colors, and that is the formula bar.